Hi everyone! In this video I'm going to be showing you how I made those baby age blocks. I'm making those for my best friend as one of her baby shower gifts. I also made those for my son as well, and I use them every single month to take pictures, and I really like them. They can be kind of pricey, so I figured I could just do it myself at a more affordable price. So I hope this video inspires you to make this as a gift if you have a baby shower coming up, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we get started, I just want to explain something really quickly because it was trial and error doing my son's blocks. You're not supposed to use two numbers on the block. As you can see here, I did 10, 11, and 12, and that is the mistake. I had to use a third block to add number 0 and 1 on it, but you're going to see the correct way to do it in this video. Before I started making these, I was trying to find videos on YouTube that explain in detail how to make them, but I couldn't find any, and that's why I made the mistake with the blocks I made for my son. So I figured I would make this video to show you guys the correct way to make them and avoid mistakes. So on the first block, you want to start out with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And on the second block, you're going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 1. You're going to need unfinished baby age blocks. I got mine from Hobby Lobby. Foam brushes, a small brush to fix any mistakes that you did when you're done, alphabet stickers, and acrylic paint. I will link everything in the description box. I painted it beige first, but I didn't like how it turned out, so I went over it with white. So whatever color you want your numbers and letters to be is going to be your base color. So the letters and numbers are going to be white and the blocks are going to be brown. After they completely dry, I'm going to cut out the letters and make sure the full name fits on the block before I stick them on there. If the name is too long or if it doesn't fit on there for some reason, I would use smaller letters or just do initials. I noticed that I accidentally put number 4 upside down, so I flipped it. Sorry the camera was off in this part of the video. I was using the back camera on my phone and I couldn't tell if I was centered or not. Moving on to this block, we're going to do weeks, months, years, and grade. After you have all your stickers on there, we're going to go ahead and use the second color, which is the color that you want your blocks to be. After it dried completely, I went ahead and pulled the stickers off. And then with the small brush, I just fixed any minor mistakes that might have happened just to make it look perfect. And that is everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!